Welcome to our Dart tutorial on function parameters. In this video, we'll explore the various types of parameters in Dart functions, including positional parameters, named parameters, and optional positional parameters. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding how to work with function parameters is crucial for writing clean and efficient Dart code. Let's dive in. Now, let's explore positional parameters in Dart. The order and number of values you provide during the call must match the order and count of parameters in the function signature. This direct correspondence makes positional parameters straightforward to use. In our example, the greet function expects a name as the first parameter and an age as the second. This fixed order ensures that our function delivers accurate and expected results. Named parameters in Dart provide a powerful way to make your functions more expressive. Unlike positional parameters, named parameters allow you to provide values to specific parameters by explicitly mentioning their names. This flexibility is particularly useful when dealing with functions that have a large number of parameters or when the order of parameters isn't obvious. In our examples, we can greet individuals by providing their names, ages, and countries, all without worrying about the order of the parameters. Adding default values to named parameters can make your functions more flexible. If a value isn't provided during the function call, the default value is used. This is particularly handy when dealing with optional parameters. In our examples, we've greeted both known and unknown guests, showcasing how default values can handle cases where certain information may be missing. The required keyword ensures that certain parameters must be provided during the function call. This is especially useful when you want to enforce that specific information is supplied. In our examples, we've greeted friends and noted their ages, showcasing the required keyword to ensure that the name parameter is always provided, preventing accidental omissions. Now, let's delve into the flexibility of optional positional parameters in Dart. These parameters allow you to create more versatile functions by making certain parameters optional during the function call. This flexibility comes in handy when dealing with functions where not every parameter needs to be provided. In our example, we have a greet function that takes a name as a required parameter and an optional positional parameter, age. If you provide an age, it's used in the greeting, otherwise, a default value of 25 is used. This way, the function accommodates different scenarios, making it more adaptable to varying situations. Congratulations! You've navigated Dart function parameters, from positional, named, to optional. Just remember, order matters for positional parameters, and you can't mix them with named and optional positional parameters in the same function. Now, armed with this knowledge, you're ready for expressive and adaptable Dart functions. Best of luck in your Dart programming journey, and happy coding!